Hi, second graders. Miss Linder here. Today is Tuesday, June 9th, the last day of school and the last class you have. So today for science, we're going to talk about volume and pitch. We've kind of already talked about this in previous lessons, so today we're going to do a fun activity. You're going to make an instrument using items you can find in your house. The instrument must be able to produce a sound that has volumes, different volumes, so loud and soft, and pitches high and low. Then you can watch this video down here. It shows you how to create a couple instruments using household items. Then you're going to have an adult also create an instrument so that you can play a song together. These are some suggested materials: spoons, pans, boxes, cardboard tubes, and plastic bottles that you can make some instruments with. Once you're done making your instrument, take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Other than that, have a good summer. We'll see you next time.